Hello friends, my name is Rakesh, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a beating heart with the help of HTML and CSS. So let's get started. So first of all, let's make a folder. And let's open our text editor in this folder. So first of all, let's create one file, index.html, and let's create a template, basic HTML template. So we'll be writing all the code in this same file, so we don't need this CSS and script file. So first of all, let's create here a div called heart. Here we will be creating our heart here, and then we will write our CSS in the style tag here. So first of all, let's show a box, a red color box. Let's create it with say 200 pixel, height 200 pixel, and background color a red color. And let's open this in Chrome browser. So as you can see, we have created one red box. Let's move it towards a center. Let's do that. So position absolute top like 40%, and from the left side let's leave around 40%. So yes, we can see this now into the center. So first of all, if we need to create a heart, we first need a rectangular shape, and then we need a circular shape from here and here. So as you can see that we can add another div here and give it a rectangular, make it circle here and here as well, but we don't need two different divs. So what we can do is we can create divs inside it at the same position by using sudo CSS before and after. So let's create them heart before. So this will also create a rectangle, so we can write it here, and for the sake of difference we will create it blue. So as you can see, okay, it is not reflecting because we have to position it at the same place where we have position absolute. Okay, so we have to position it at the same position, and then we have to do content empty string, because this will create a rectangular shape. So when we see this box, we will see this. So let's go into the inspect element, and we'll try our CSS here. So after that, so we are going into the head before. Let's create a circle. So we'll do border radius to like 5 pixel, and then we increase this. You can see that it is taking shape, and as we go to the 100%, that is half of the size of this width, then we can see it is in the perfect shapes. So we can add a border radius 100 pixel. After that we'll need to move it to the left. So on the left we can move it like 5 pixel. Okay, let's check it. So if we increase this left distance by positive, then it is moving to the right, so we need it to the left, and also it should move to the exactly half, so we'll write it minus 100 px. Okay, so these two things we need to add: border radius 100 pixel, so border radius 100 pixel, and then on the left side we need to move it minus 100 pixel. Okay, so we can see like that. So we also need another circle, so let's create it one more. Like I'm just copying this. Now instead of before I'm using after, and let's change the color here. Okay, and let's remove these things. So we want at exact same position. So you can see that now we have a rectangle at exact same position. So again we'll create border radius of 100 pixel, and now we will see this after. We'll try to move like from the top. So top I'll move like 10 pixel. You can see if the number is positive, it will go downside, and then if we make it negative, so it is going upward. So in the similar fashion, so from top we are giving minus 100 pixel. Alright, so this has taken a shape. Now if I use the same color, you can see that it has taken a heart shape. So let's change it to red and red. Okay, so first step is completed. Now we need to move this heart shape to correct direction. So we need to move it around 45 degrees to the right. So what we'll do, we'll go into the heart and then use a transform, rotate. We'll rotate around 45 degree here, and you can see it is in the perfect shape. So first step is completed. We have successfully created a heart. Now we have to create a beating, so heartbeat. So in order to do that, we have to create a animation. So we create it by using keyframes. So keyframe, so I'm writing a new keyframes and I'm giving it a name heartbeat. Okay, so inside a keyframe we have to write like how it progressively change the shape. So around 0% we can have some CSS, then around 20%, and then we will do around 40%, and the rest of the percentage will be used to go back to the 0%. So why 20 and 40? Like it is a heartbeat. It will be like dhak dhak. So it's in the first 20% it will do first beating, and then in 40% it will do a second beating. So we have to do like that. So for this we will write a code transform. What we are going to do, we are going to increase its size to some percentages. So to do that we will use a same transform, and then we will use scale to, now at the initial level it will be same scale, only 1. Then on 20% we will use it at 1.2, and in 40% we will use 1.4 or 1.5. okay, so initially it will be exact same in the ratio 1, then it will increase 20%, around 20%, and then it will increase around 1.5, so 50% it will increase. Then this, we have created this animation. Now we have to attach this animation to this heart. So animation heartbeat, again we have to give it like when to apply this. So we are applying this for 1 second and infinite time. So this is the animation. Now you can see that this heart is animating, but we have a problem that its angle is changed. So to see what is the problem closely, let's increase the time to 4 seconds. okay, so as you can see, it is the initial stage, then 20%, 40%, and then it is going back to the normal. So what we can see, that initial level it is okay, and then 20% and 40% actually it is not changing, it is not rotating properly. So this rotate, transformation rotate, actually it is, we have not set it in the heartbeat animation. So what we'll do, we'll set this at every stage. We want it to be always be 45-degree rotated. So I'm adding this to rotate, and now you can see that it is working properly. So now I'm changing the time to 1 second. So now you can see that it is beating correctly. So this is how to create a beating heart in HTML and CSS. Thank you.